Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whether you're a student looking to ace that exam or a working professional trying to upskill yourself, today's video is packed with tips on how to study effectively. We'll discuss practical tips for everyone and some advanced strategies for those tight on time. So let's dive right in. Hello everyone, my name is Shramika. I'm an engineer by profession and a seeker by passion. Let's set the foundation first. First things first, create a dedicated study space. This helps your brain associate that spot with learning and focus. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just a quiet corner where you can study focused without any distractions. A clutter-free environment is crucial. Make sure your study space is organized, very well organized with all the supplies that you need within reach. This reduces the chances of you getting up and breaking your concentration. And don't forget good lighting. Natural light is the best, but a good desk lamp can make a huge difference in reducing eye strain. Next up, planning. Time management is key to effective studying. Use a digital planner or a calendar to schedule your study sessions. Break your study material into manageable chunks and set goals for each of these sessions. This way you avoid last-minute cramming and unnecessary stress. But be realistic with your goals. Don't set large expectations because that will just overwhelm yourself. Like for example, instead of saying I'll study chemistry all day, say I will study chapter 3 for 2 hours. This way you'll have a clear focus and feel a sense of accomplishment once you complete that, which fuels your motivation. We have plenty of videos on how to manage your time better. Head on to this playlist after this video. Active learning is key. Don't just passively read your notes. Interact with it by summarizing it in your own words or teaching it to someone else or creating mind maps or flashcards. This helps information stick. Another great technique is the Feynman technique. It's named after the great scientist Richard Feynman. It involves teaching the concept to someone else in simple words. Basically, it means that if you're able to explain a concept in simple terms, in simple words, then you understand it deeply. And don't forget to ask questions while you study. This not only keeps you engaged but also helps deepen your understanding of the material. And yes, if you're not able to answer certain questions, note them down so that you can search on them later in the day after your allotted study time is over. Don't start Googling it right away on your phone because you never know. You won't even realize when you will head down a rabbit hole of distractions. Remember to take regular breaks. Studies show that taking short breaks during long study sessions helps you refresh your mind, and that helps in improving our focus and improving the retention. Try the Pomodoro technique, that is studying for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute short break. Of course, you can switch these time limits according to your requirement. During your breaks, step away from your study desk, stretch, take a short walk or grab a healthy snack. This helps reset your mind and prevents burnout. Remember, breaks are meant to refresh you, not distract you. So avoid getting sucked into social media or anything that is difficult to pull away from. And don't forget the basics. A healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, a balanced diet and adequate sleep are crucial for optimal brain function. Your body and mind need to be in sync for you to effectively study. Exercise boosts brain function and memory. Even a short daily workout can make a big difference. And when it comes to food, try to get good quantities of fruits, vegetables, whole foods in order to nourish your body and fuel your brain. Sleep is equally important. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of very deep sleep. It helps consolidate your memories and rejuvenate your mind, making it easier for your brain to absorb and retain information. Now for the busy professionals out there, here are some advanced tips. First, integrate learning into your daily routine. Listen to audiobooks, educational podcasts during your commute. Use apps that offer micro learning sessions that you can fit into short breaks. Second, leverage technology. Use apps like Evernote or OneNote to organize all your study materials and notes. These tools allow you to access your study material anytime, anywhere. Lastly, consider joining study groups or online communities. Engaging with others can provide you new insights and keeps you motivated. Plus, it's a great way to network with other like-minded individuals. Studying effectively is all about the balance, planning and making most of the time you have on your hand. Remember, it's not just about working hard but working smart. Whether you're a student or a busy professional, these tips I'm sure can help you study effectively. So start implementing them today and see the difference. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you found it useful, then please hit that like button, hit subscribe and also the notification bell. This will ensure you never miss any video on this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next week. Until then, happy learning and bye.